Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and as a busy mom and businesswoman, I feel like I'm always hauling around not just my stuff, but everyone else's stuff as well. How do I keep it all together? My Montana West boho tote. This bag really can hold everything. I'm able to fit my tablet, my laptop, notebooks, and planners in there with room to spare. And I love the nice wide base so that it can stand up all on its own, not topple over with everything falling out. The jet black color with this tan stitching is gorgeous. I love the contrast and it really goes with everything. The interior is beautiful as well with nice sturdy fabric. If you're looking for that great bag that will hold everything that you need to keep track of your life and the lives of your loved ones, then this boho tote by Montana West is the one for you. And that's my point of view.